Today we're discussing buying down mortgage rates with seller credits. Now, when you're getting a mortgage, you could pay points up front or an additional money to buy down your interest rate. This is a really interesting strategy where you take your offer price that you were planning on offering on the property and you add the amount to it that you want to buy down your mortgage rate. Now you submit the offer to the seller, and along with the seller credit for that extra amount to be applied to buy down your mortgage rate. Seller gets the original amount they would have been offering anyway. You, as a buyer, get a lower mortgage rate, and the bank ends up paying for the whole process. Now for sellers as well, instead of giving a huge credit and coming down on price or doing a price reduction, oftentimes offering a seller credit towards the interest rate is going to be more beneficial to the buyers than coming down on price. So keep that in mind. The seller buy down is a perfect option in today's climate and today's interest rates. It's a little bit complicated, so for more information, give me a call and I'd love to talk to you about it.